YouTube, this is Joel2TV, back with more for you to see, and today we're actually going to do a sneaker review, and I have not done a sneaker review in quite some time, and for the first time I'm going to be selling out on Adidas with some brand new Pumas. Now right here it is a very basic Pumas box with that one little stripe or line, whatever that they do right there on the center of the box. Now let's go ahead and get right into it. This is the Puma RSX and I am so hyped. When I saw pictures of these online, I was like, I gotta go pick these up. These are a new silhouette from Pumas, and I gotta say guys, I think they really hit it off with this one. This gold and black with a little bit of white is really doing it for me. It's a very interesting color, and moreover it's a very interesting silhouette that they got going on here. Now something that's been trending a lot is that dad sneaker, and I think nowadays in 2019 it's kind of, you know, staying kind of frequent, but it's not like super hype like it was in 2018. This in particular, I was just very shocked by it. So let's go ahead and go and do this tour real quick. So right here on the side you can see it says RS running system, and it is in gold writing. And throughout the entire sneaker, I think one thing that is kind of fishy for me is doing the different tones of gold. I really wish they stuck with one over the entire thing. But you can feel this kind of nice, I don't know what you would call it, almost like a wetsuit right here on the side, and it has that signature Puma swoosh. And then you go ahead and see the other materials. It looks like a very leather, like a fake leather going on right here. I don't really know what you would consider these little black things right here. See, it's kind of like they're revolutionizing it. And then right there on the back, I guess they try to do some kind of suede right here in the back. And then it has that nice little touch of like reflective gold. Now right here on the toe box, you're gonna see two little stripes of gold, and there's gonna be two little squares that show that reflective gold. And then on top of that, you're gonna see this very nice air support right here on the toe. Yes, I said air support. That is to let the air support your toes. Yes. See that. And then you're gonna see right there going up the toe and onto the top of the foot is going to be this, once again, like fake leather. I wish they would have used actual leather or did suede instead. I think that would have been a better touch. And then going up to the tongue of the sneaker, you're gonna see it says, it's gonna have the Pumas logo, it's gonna say RSX, and it's gonna have a different touch of gold, which is the regular gold right here, and then it's gonna be the reflective gold to hold the lace lock right here. Now I think it's a very nice touch of the different kind of golds. I just think it's a little off when you really look at it up close. But then you got the very fat rope laces on there too. Now moving on to the inside of the sneaker, it's gonna be pretty much the exact same thing with these little patterns that are going on. The thing that I really thought was cool when I was in Foot Locker was that, here's some video of the different kinds of colorways that they have for this thing. I really like the Miami looking one, but I also like the this one more because it just had that kind of champion feel to it. But to move on to the back, you're gonna see that this pull tab is really nice. I like how it's a thin rope, and then out here it's gonna be a very thick kind of feel. Let's see. Oh snap! One little detail, it actually says "pull me" on the pull tab, which is I feel kind of violated. You know what I mean? Then to add a little detail on the back over here, it actually is like a riveted, once again, that wetsuit kind of material here on the back. And then to finish off on the bottom, they have a very interesting like pattern going on here with the white sole. And then on top of that, it's gonna have these little different, you know, shapes and patterns going on here. And then at the bottom, it says Pumas, and then it's gonna be running system. Now overall, I really think that this is a dope design. All right, so they have this like cushioning system right here. So obviously they can't do boost, so they make their own comfort material. So there's cutouts for the toes right there, and then you're gonna see it says running 111100010001000 system, and then the Pumas logo right there next to it. Yeah, I really think that they put in a lot of work into this sneaker. The one thing that I do have to say about Pumas is that they're a very inexpensive sneaker brand. When it comes to their Puma suedes, I think they're like $30. Something like this, which I think was $110, was an affordable sneaker. Now, let me tell you something. If these were Yeezys, had an Adidas Originals logo on here, these would have sold out instantly, no matter how much people talk about the hype and how it's not there anymore. Now that's the one thing I really like about these sneakers, is that it's a very interesting shoe, and it's something that's gonna stand out without having to break your bank for it, because the Yeezy 700s, which these are very similar to, is gonna be well over $300, and if you get them on resale, I'm sure you're going into the $400s to $500. But this right here, you can flex, look nice, and spend only $100 and something. So not too bad for these sneakers right here. They're not too hype, and I really do like these. But yeah guys, let me know what you think of these sneakers down below. I really think it's dope. I would say these are the Champagne Poppy collection if Drake were to go to Pumas. But anyways guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share Joel2TV with that Puma RSX out.